operation of rational numbers. Today we are going to just recapitulate what we have learned in rational numbers. So I will be throwing some questions on you and you will be answering. Is it fine? Is it fine?
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So the first question, we have many times discussed this before starting any topic. What is a rational number? What is a rational number? Because the definition should be very much clear, then only you can recognize or define a rational number. Means I am asking you to define a rational number. Okay, what is a rational number? Come on. Who will answer? No answers? Why? We have ended the rational number. Go on fast. It's a recapitulation. Just a recap. Let's see how much.
A rational number is the ratio of two integers p and q, where q is not equal to 0.
Okay. A rational number. Please now write down Aditi. Please write down Aditi and everyone, because you are repeating the same mistake again and again. Because it is in the yeah, I am not saying to explain rational number. Here saying to define rational number. दोनों में difference है? ठीक है? और आदिति ने सही कहा है. She is right. But the statement formation is little bit need to be refined. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Rational number is in the form of ratio part. It is the ratio of two integers p and q, that is p is to q, in the form of p by q. Understood? कहाँ गलती हुई? Ratio कहोगी, if you say what the word ratio, then we are writing the number. Are we presenting the rational number like this? Everything. Are we? Please answer.
No, ma'am.
We are presenting the ratio
No, ma'am.
in the form of p upon q, where are what? Integers and q is never equal to 0. Is it fine, Aditi, now? What is the
Yes,
mistake
ma'am.
in your definition? Understood or not? If you only say it's a ratio, understood? What is the problem? Understood or not? Yes, it's a ratio, but in the form of
P by Q.
first one or second form?
Ma'am, second form.
Second.
Ma'am, second form.
So, a rational, now write down, a rational number is a number. If you have not written it anywhere, please note down. So that this is the final time you are making a mistake. A rational number is in the form of, a rational number is in the form of, just like I said, what form?
Ma'am, P by Q.
Rational,
Ma'am, P by Q.
right, rational number
In the
in the form of which form? P by Q.
Q. By Q.
Q, where P and Q is a what?
Integer. Ma'am, integer.
Integer. And Which number?
Ma'am,
And
Q
Q is
is
not
not
equal to
equal to
0.
0. Ma'am, Q is not equal to 0.
Not equal to 0.
I hope after the chapter we have completed rational numbers. This whole concept is clear. Right or wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
Next thing what
Yes.
we'll discuss? What type of P and Q is possible? Yes or no? Yes or no? So, can P be positive?
Yes, ma'am.
When we are
Yes,
talking
ma'am.
about P is an integer, so in which three forms it is possible?
Ma'am, positive, negative, and 0.
Ma'am, positive, negative, and 0.
Numerator and it is an integer also. So in which two forms it is possible?
Ma'am, positive, negative, and 0.
0. Good. It is possible and we have observed in comparison or not? While doing comparison we have observed this thing or not? जब हम लोग कंपैरिजन कर रहे थे कंपैरिजन के क्वेश्चन कर रहे थे हम लोग ने ये चीज ऑब्जर्व की थी या नहीं
Yes, ma'am.
तो
Yes,
it can be positive it can be a zero it can be a negative number right now next thing now when we talk about q which is the denominator yes or no
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
so and it is also an integer but
Yes,
here
ma'am.
what is the although it's an integer, but is it possible? How many times it is possible? We can write.
Ma'am, 2.
Ma'am, positive and negative.
Positive and
Negative.
Ma'am, negative.
have I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How many types of rational numbers are there?
Ma'am, 2.
How many types of rational numbers are there?
Ma'am, 2.
Two
Ma'am,
types.
2.
One is
Ma'am, positive rational number, and ma'am, second is negative rational number.
positive
And negative rational numbers.
positive rational number. First
Ma'am,
one is
ma'am,
positive.
positive.
When the combination of numerator and denominator both are positive, or the combination of numerator and denominator both are negative.
Negative.
Then it is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
condition when it is possible that it is a positive rational number. Then what we are studying at next? Negative rational number, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Negative rational number. How is negative rational number possible?
Ma'am, 2.
Ma'am, 2.
How is that possible? When the combination of numerator and denominator is either positive or negative or
Ma'am, negative by
No,
positive.
positive.
Ma'am,
right?
negative by positive.
Negative and positive. Is any other variation possible?
No, ma'am.
No.
Oh, ma'am.
So this was the second thing which we discussed. Next what we discussed? Okay. If I have written an integer, is the integer only possible? Can an integer be a rational number or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
How?
yes, ma'am.
How?
Ma'am, ma'am, because
Because numerator and denominator. Ma'am, because P and Q are equal to integers.
ma'am,
Ma'am,
because
because ma'am, P is also an integer.
Q is C. If Q is if I write P equals to 2 and Q is equals to that 1, right?
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
1 is something equal to and it is an integer. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Right? But can a rational number be an integer?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No. Why?
Because P and Q are not equal to integers.
P and Q are not equal to, because if we write, it will not, a fraction cannot be converted into a integer. Yes or no? Now, one more question. Can a fraction be a rational number? Can?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. How?
Ma'am, because in fraction and generally they are positive, and ma'am, in rational numbers also positive exist.
Positive. So in fraction, we just take the positive integer. My question reverses. Can a rational number be a fraction? Can a rational number be a fraction?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Say it again. Can a rational number be a fraction?
Yes, ma'am.
Say it
Yes,
again. क्या हम इसको fraction बोल सकते हैं? Can we take it as a fraction? Think again and tell me. No. A fraction can be a rational number because in fraction the numerator and denominator both are positive integers or natural numbers. Natural numbers or and or whole numbers. Understood in class if you have right. All natural numbers are integers, but all integers are not natural numbers. Did you remember in class 6? सारे natural numbers integers हो सकते हैं, लेकिन सारे integers natural numbers नहीं हो सकते. And fractions are combination of numerator and denominator, in which the numerator and denominator are both positive integers. That is, they are a combination of natural numbers or whole numbers. Am I clear? But
yes,
in
ma'am.
case of rational number, what is happening? The numerator and denominator both are integers only. Yes or no? Both are integers only. Yes or no? Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
these are the small mistakes which you make. These are the small mistakes which you make while writing answers and you think your method was correct. Yes, Richa. Any query? Any query, Anand? Any question from your side, Anand? Anand, any question from your side? No? So let's move ahead. Should I? Should I with the next question? Should I move ahead with the next question?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. My next question is, what is the difference between an equivalent form and a standard form? What is the
Ma'am,
difference
please
between
repeat.
an equivalent form rational number and a standard form rational number? Yes.
Ma'am, in the standard form, the denominator is positive and it is, ma'am, the rational number is reduced to its lowest form.
Lowest form. That means in standard form, the numerator and denominator, in numerator can be positive, negative, or zero, but the denominator will always be positive, and the HCF, that is the lowest form of numerator and denominator is 50, it is equal to 1. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
But it's not the case with different form. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So when the question says change it into a different form, it is different. That is, we are multiplying or dividing the rational number with the same number. Right or wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
But
Yes,
in
ma'am.
case of standard form, mostly what we are doing, mostly we are converting it into its lowest form in such a manner that its FCF becomes FCF if you find that the FCF of numerator and denominator is equal to 1. Is it fine? These two differences?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next thing which was confusing to us, which we were facing problem in doing the questions while. और कौन से दिन हो रही थी कौन से कॉन्सेप्ट पे हो रहा था जिसमें हम लोग को कंफ्यूजन हो रही थी ओके is a positive rational number greater than 0 or less than 0 a positive rational
Ma'am,
number is less than 0 or greater than 0
ma'am, greater than.
and
Greater than 0.
greater than 0 and a negative rational number is
Ma'am, smaller than 0.
so 0 or negative rational number. So negative rational numbers are always on the which side of the number line, left or right?
Ma'am, left. Ma'am,
Left.
left of 0.
And positive rational numbers are on the right of
Ma'am,
the
right.
number line. Okay. I am writing some numbers in the form of P and Q so that you don't have to calculate anything, but you will be telling its position. Am I clear? Right, left, okay? On the number
Okay,
line.
ma'am.
Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Minus P by 1.
Ma'am,
Minus
left. Left.
left. Any
Yes,
other
ma'am.
answer? Any other answer? So it's left. Okay. Now I am taking minus P by minus 1.
Ma'am,
Minus P
ma'am, right.
by
Ma'am, right.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
right.
okay. Then P by minus 1.
ma'am, left.
Left. Very
Ma'am,
good.
left.
Huh?
Ma'am,
What is
left.
it?
I'm left.
Ma'am, left.
Left.
Ma'am,
Because
left.
if we multiply, make different form, right or wrong? Then what will happen? It will change to minus 3 by 1. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Right? We convert. So what we do in order to make denominators positive, what we may do in order to make denominators positive? Do we convert it into a standard form or equivalent form?
Ma'am, equivalent form.
Equivalent form. And why do we need to convert the denominator positive, although we are saying that in case of rational numbers, the denominators can be negative. Why?
Ma'am, because if we need to take out the LCM, we cannot take out the LCM with negative number.
Means if we have to take out the LCM, we have to do the if we are doing comparison in the form of cross multiplication, which we saw yesterday or the previous day, it is possible. But if we are using the equivalent method, then it is not possible. So if we have to do any type of operation of LCM, we take out the denominators, right? We take out the LCM of a denominator, and the LCM or HCF of a denominator is only possible if all the numbers are positive, not negative. So what we do, we convert in, we first see the rational number and try to balance the denominator by making it different form and positive. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This was another clashing thing which we were facing problem, right? Okay. Or any other thing which you saw that we were getting a confused? We were getting confused in the terminology because if the terminology is still confusing, then we cannot move ahead with the. Okay, one more thing. In cross multiplication, do we combine the numbers or break the numbers into LHS and RHS? If we are using a cross multiplication technique, we are combining the number or we are breaking it into LHS and RHS. If you are using cross multiplication technique, what we do? Yes,
I'm breaking them
Ma'am,
into
we
LHS
are-
and RHS.
breaking. And can you tell me, can we use the cross multiplication technique of comparing rational numbers in order to compare more than two rational numbers? Or
No,
only
ma'am.
rational numbers?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
We
Which
can
one?
use this technique only two rational numbers.
Only two rational. Now again, one more thing we did was number line. So in in number line, what we did yesterday, we discussed that in number line we have to insert rational numbers. First thing, if the denominators are different, we make the denominators equal and then see in the question how many numbers to be inserted. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
If
Yes,
that number of insertions is within our range, then no problem. But if it is not within our range, what we do?
Ma'am,
If it
we
is not
multiply.
within our range, what we do?
Ma'am, we multiply both LHS and RHS
Let us
rational
now see the
numbers.
numerator denominator of LHS and RHS.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, by n plus 1.
N plus 1. Divide and multiply the numerator and denominator of both LHS and RHS by n plus 1. And what is n plus in here? N equal to?
Ma'am,
four.
number of numbers to be inserted.
Number of terms to be inserted. Okay, so these were the things which we discussed in rational numbers, right? Right or
Yes,
wrong?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we are now very much clear with each and every term. So in next class we can easily discuss what? Or start with a new chapter, that is operation of rational numbers. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'll solve it and give. Nityanshi? Okay. Nityanshi is throwing a question number 2. Right, Nityanshi? Is it this
Yes,
one?
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
See, you have to write the rational number represented by A, B, C, D on the number line CA, AB, DQ, RC, CD, and DS. Where so that means the partitions are equal. Means if the partitions are equal, then denominator is equal to how much? How many parts? Who will tell?
Ma'am,
The
3.
huh?
Ma'am, 3.
Ma'am,
Three.
Ma'am, 3.
3. Good. 3. So how much is A equal to? How
Ma'am,
much?
1 upon 3.
1 upon 3 or 3 whole 1 by 3. See, it is
Ma'am,
after
3 whole 1 by 3.
3 whole 1 by 3. How much is B?
ma'am, your voice is lagging.
How much is
Ma'am,
B?
3. Ma'am,
How
3
much is
whole
B?
2 upon 3. Ma'am, 3 whole 2 upon 3.
3 whole 2 upon 3. How much is C?
Ma'am, minus 1 whole 1 upon 3.
Minus 1 whole upon 1 by 3. And D?
Ma'am, minus 1 whole 2 upon 3.
2 upon 3.
Minus 2 or minus 1, 2 upon, okay, minus 1, 2 upon 3, not minus 2, sorry. Minus 1, 2 by 3. Is it fine now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so with this, I completely end chapter 4. I completely end chapter 4. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.